Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Emma. Beside me is my husband Ash and our children Minky, Dave, Cookie and Tiny Teabag. This is my identical twin sister Suze. We speak a lot about her and we vlog our daily lives here. Thank you for joining us. Minky Moo. Minky Moo. Minky Moo. Minky Moo. Minky Moo. You watching the telly? Dancing Bacons. You love it, don't you? Hello, little man. Ah. Look at those earlogs, the ginormous Minky Moo. Oh, you can't have her biscuit. Why are you so naughty? Ah, oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's too wet to go outside today, isn't it? I'm sorry I said the O word. You're so clever. What will come over your head? Over your noggin? You silly noggin nuts. Why does my nose look so red? What are you doing there, Minky Moo? Go downstairs. Come on then. It's Friday morning. It's a crazy rainstorm. Is it Storm Babet? I don't know. But we've cancelled the clients today and we're going to do them on Saturday or Sunday when there's a break in the rain, because I took the dogs out for a wee a couple of hours ago and just putting the security light on in the garden, I got drenched. So we've cancelled work. Me and Ash are both here. Minky, you can't have another sweetie. Cookie's done a poo-poo. We will clean. Oh, bright lights. Oh God, look at my hair. Here he is. We both look great today.
I look amazing as always.
Just cleaning up Cookie's pinky poo-poops. Oh dear, Daddy.
Yes, I know.
I've put him to work. Everybody's seen as he ain't going to work today. And this hasn't been changed. Whoa! Does it stand up like that? What date did you say it was? 20th. Wow. Oh my God, look at me. I do feel better, everybody, than yesterday. I got home and I got a lot of sleep. I did wake up in the middle of the night from maybe 2:30, but I got to bed quite early, so I got a good stint of sleep between getting in and waking up. I didn't wake up when Ash came back from cadets. I was flat out. So yeah, in the night I was up for a little bit and I replied to some comments and chatted to some of you guys, so thank you. And then I went back to sleep. I've chatted to Suze this morning. She's glad that I'm moving the clients to tomorrow because this rain is so heavy that by the time we get the first client done, even in waterproofs, it would be so unbelievably wet that it would be difficult to carry on, and that being very uncomfortable. So just making a bacon sandwich. I'm gonna, Ash just told me I'm not allowed to do anything today, and I need to get back into bed and rest. But you all know I get a little bit itchy feet, so we'll see. Right, my little treasure chops. Oh, did I catch you cleaning yourself, Dave? Ash has just gone to collect the takeaway because they don't deliver, but it's only at the end of the road. Mind your face. What are you doing? Oh, you're helping me do the washing. I love you. I love you. Thank you for helping me put the washing on. My little angel baby. Little cookie winkle cheese. Right, Ash is back with the old din-dins. So we've got 3 poppadoms. What's in here? Still pouring down the rain out there. We've got 2 of the mint sauce. We've got a plain, right, I don't know if I'm saying this right, paratha, one of them. Iram, you'll tell me. Or I love gingers, you'll tell me. You can come in, Papa. That's for rubbish. Mushroom rice, which Ash got. Yum. Plain rice, which I got. Ow, ow! You can come in. People want to see you. And we got 2 of the chef's special curries, which I've got a bit of everything in, I think. Chicken, prawn. What else do I have? Meat.
Which is beef.
Oh, lamb. It'll have mutton in it. Not sure if it does have chicken.
Yes, it does.
Oh, lovely. Right, let's get this plated up. No, I absolutely won't eat all of that. I'll eat probably an 1/8 and then put the rest in the fridge. That's the Ash's. Oh, yummy. Now we're going to watch a Denzel Washington film. Lovely. Cookie. Cookie. You're so funny. You're so funny. Ash just forgot his phone, so he left it in the bathroom, but he'd already gone. So I ran downstairs. Oh God, I'm so unfit. Ran downstairs to try and catch him, and thank God he'd only just got to the end of the road. So he's already set off. I'm not doing anything with my hair. It's still raining. I'm just going to whack it back. Obviously we don't normally work on a Saturday, but because we called work off yesterday because of Storm Babet, we're going out now. We're going out to work on a Saturday. Cookie, what are you doing, sweetheart? She's launching her food bowl around. Tiny Teabag's eating his breakfast. These two have actually had some breakfast. Haven't you? You've had some breakfast, haven't you? You got a biscuit there, Minky Moo? You got a biscuit there, David? Oh, you're handsome. Yum, yum, yum. She's an absolute whack bag. Right, so I've got a little bit of makeup on. I'm so unfit, I need to calm down. I'm going to open my blinds once I've got dressed and I'm going to go to work. Just before I leave for work, I have a little bit of a confession to make and a tip so you all don't make the same mistake as I did. So in the bathroom on the windowsill I like to have candles, but please guys, don't use them until they're nearly burnt down without a plate underneath them, because this might happen. I've burnt my plastic windowsill. Can you see that? It's melted. A little blister. Oh no. So yeah, I won't be doing that again. I've now got a candle on the bath thingy, bath caddy thing that goes across, which is wood, but I'll need to get some little candle plates, I think, to put on the windowsill. I mean, all of you lot want a house tour. Okay, as does Susie, because she's not been, and well, hopefully a lot of you have asked. We did discuss her coming, and we will be looking to make that happen. There's logistics in the way, but Jason, we discussed it, and Jason knows that Susie wants to come here because we've got a bath, just for like a little holiday with me. So but with everything being so chaotic, that our house is as messy as we've never normally got all these bits out. And obviously there's Tiny T's room, we've got another bathroom, shower room there, spare room, master bedroom, office, study, craft room, and then downstairs. But we will, at some point in the next couple of years, give you a house tour.
Together, our families can help theirs here at B&M.
Yeah, we just did your nails, didn't we? You're so clever. Clever girl. Clever girl. Just driving past the River Aire, and oh my goodness, I'm going to show you all how much rain the UK has had with Storm Babet, with the red, warnings to life and danger warnings. This is insane. I'm going to get out and show you. Wowzers. Gosh, hope it doesn't get any bigger, those people that live there. Any higher, sorry. That is a bollard where there's a path here. Well, there was a path. Look how fast flowing that is. All the big currents underneath it, my goodness. I thought I would do some hard-boiled eggs. So the trick, although my client did say that these haven't had the bloom washed off after being laid, so they should all be fine. But the trick, just to double check, is just to put some cold water in. And if they float, don't eat them, alright? And they don't! Oh my goodness! They're all going to be perfect to eat. Yay! They look a bit worse for wear. So yeah, I wanted to show you what I was going to do with these. I wanted to show you what I'm going to do with the mirrors. So, mirrored wardrobes are fab. I mean, I love them. They're great. They do make the room look bigger, but this room is really quite a large room anyway. But if I do any filming, the reflection, it does show a lot. You know, if I'm sort of filming this way, there's a lot going on. So I got these foils from IKEA. £9 for a pair. So this is the before, and I'm going to show you the after. Ready? I absolutely love it. And just to get in the wardrobes, I just need to move them out of the way because they're all different panels. So we put another hook just in the top, and I think it really works. If any of you are getting married and want to buy a cheap backdrop, the wire and these curtains, absolutely, that's the way to go. So much cheaper, and in my opinion, way better. How magical does that look? I love it. So it'll be like this, but I'll have better lighting. So instead of all the reflection, you can still see a tiny bit. It'll be beautiful and chiffony. I'm so happy with that. Do you love it? Do you love it, Moo Moo? Do you love it, Dave? Yeah. It's going to look so nice with some really lovely warm lighting. I think I might change the colour of the walls at some point. We haven't done it since we moved in, and they've still got like marks on the wall from where she had some wraparound wardrobes. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Well happy with that. From my new background, which I love, I'm going to end the video because I don't normally, and I'm here. I'll stay present and I will end it for you. Looking a complete mess. I'm going to get in the shower. No, I'm going to get in the bath, big bubbly bath. Sort that out. And have a pamper. I've had a sandwich today. That's enough for me. I'm done in. I needed that day yesterday to just completely shut off. And it has helped. You know, obviously still feel completely, but not as bad as my Sue's. So I have nothing to complain about. I would like to say thank you all for watching. I will leave a link to the curtains and the wire below in the description. And I hope you haven't missed me too much. I've missed all of you a lot. You know, just a couple of days and I miss you all. But I do chat to you all in the comments all the time. And sorry if I don't reply and I just put a heart. You know that I'm there. And I will have full-on conversations with all of you. That's my tummy growling. When I'm not, you know, when I'm not ready to just pass out. I don't think there was anything else that I needed to chat about. I know there was a couple of questions that I needed to reiterate. Minty Moo! Knocking the camera over as she jumps down. I think there was a couple of questions that I need to answer, clarify, but I can't remember what they were. So if you guys remember, just let me know. I think I'm going to film a little gift guide at some point because I think I have, well, me and Suze, we have way different ideas on gifts to a lot of people. We're not the kind that goes to the white company and buys all this beige, you know, stuff. I'd rather just go to B&M or George Asda or a cute little shop on Instagram and things like that. And obviously I've been lucky enough to have tried some fab finds over the last few months. So they might be going in the gift guide as well. And it's just little ideas. You know, some might be expensive, some might be pennies to buy your family for Christmas or birthday or things like that. But I just thought, I love watching gift guides and I find them quite inspiring. But yeah, might film a little gift guide maybe tomorrow or coming up, so you can all see the little things that we find cute or special. You might have seen them all already, but I'll put them together in a video for you. So I will love you and leave you. I hope you're staying safe in this storm if you're in the UK. And if you're abroad again, I hope that you're safe and well. Please, as I say, I know a lot of you are going through it and my heart is with yours. I'm holding your hand. You're holding our hand. And you can always chat. You can always come here and chat. There'll be somebody that'll answer you. If it's not me, somebody else will jump in the comments and they'll help. So thank you. Have a wonderful weekend and I will see you in the next video.
Heading up the west coast in the morning to find a place No one knows our faces or our names.